Hello everybody, welcome to the walkthrough of my Holidaily album. I'm just going to do a quick flip through and then I might go through and say a couple things. I have product in here from Ali Edwards, December Daily, of course the Fairytale Scrapbook Jolly Kit, and then also some Studio Calico, I believe they're December kit, and then also some little bits from Doodlebug Designs Christmas collection. So this is part of our Christmas tree. Transparency, a 6x8 photo. It's a glittery number 1. I haven't embellished this page yet, any of these pages. I may not embellish this page at all. And I haven't done, I'll probably add some embellishment to this page too. Some journaling, another 6x8 photo. An envelope I made with my We Are Memory Keepers punch board. And it's kind of cool because the little fairy here matches the fairy on the picture. Little drawing. This is all product from the Jolly Kit. There's more of the same day. This is day 2. I added some cute little designs to that there. Kind of like the way that turned out. I think it's kind of fun. And then this tab pops up and here's some more photos. And I like the way I did it because you can't see the insert, like the seam on either side. Some more from day 2. Here's day 3. This is all from the Jolly collection. This is one of the planner inserts I made into a tag and added journaling and used the die cuts. And this is backed by one of the pretty Jolly papers too, that 6x8 photo. This doesn't have any embellishment on it yet. I'll probably add something cute there. These I'll attach back to back with a piece of acetate in between that's the full 2x2 size. I just haven't done that yet. And then I'll add my journaling on this card. It's the story of my daughter with her chocolate advent calendar. Here's day 5 with journaling. It's our shopping day. It's a fun day. That die cut, I love that little man. He's from the Jolly collection too. This is day 6. It's all our wrapping paper choices, and I cut up one of the pieces of wrapping paper and put it here. Here's day 7. There's a 6x8 photo backed by some pretty paper. And this is all from the Jolly collection, including like the little sequins. This is my number 7. This pretty piece of acetate. Oh, and this, it has these really pretty gold foil like stickers, snowflake stickers that match this snowflake. Transparency. Some journaling. This cute little bow that came in the Jolly kit. 6x8 photo backed with some pretty paper. I'm not done with this yet. I'm going to put the number 8 here, and then I want to find a bigger white envelope and just put it right in there. This has extra stuff about our Christmas card in there. Extra little bits, and this is, day 8 is our Christmas card. It has a Shutterfly logo, so I covered that up with part of this drawing. I like adding in little artwork that my husband and daughter do together. There's the back side of that. I just thought the colors were so colorful. And this little unicorn has most of the same colors, so I thought that was really cute. And I haven't had added embellishments to this page yet, but I'll add some journaling here and some little chocolate chip cookie embellishments that I have on here too, because that goes with the movie. It's a cute story. There's a transparency. And then day 10, again, I haven't added embellishments or journaling, but I like you can see the little rainbow there. I think that's pretty. I'll add some journaling here, and this is probably an embellishment there, and that is pretty much it. I think the only other things I wanted to mention are, I think there was just one other thing I wanted to mention, or a couple other things. These are thickers from the crepe paper Fa La La collection. I use them throughout the album. I use them here and there throughout the whole album to try and maintain consistency. These little tabs come in handy. I believe these are from Studio Calico, from their color theory. Sometimes I like to fill in like my numbers or letters to make them stand out more if they have empty spaces. I also don't mind just journaling on like directly on cards like this, like even over the design if I want to. Like if this wasn't on white paper, I would probably put white paper in between that slot of the 4 to make it pop. But yeah, I just like to try and repeat techniques here and there for consistency's sake. I like adding little details to my tabs. I don't know, I just like the way that looks. And then I also wanted to mention, I kind of like how this looks like this is the same photo and it was just cut in half. And they're 2 separate photos, but I put them side by side on purpose because I felt like these branches looks like they could be coming out of this tree. And so I won't, like I'll keep this just the way it is. I like the way that looks. I might add an embellishment like something cute there or something or here, but I'll definitely leave that the same. And I think I did that technique one other place. Oh yeah, right here. For this page, I felt the same way. Like I felt like this could be one big photo just cut in half. And so I thought that was kind of neat to just have that like that. All right, everybody, thanks so much for watching, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.